Of course.
Hey,
Just fill out the sticker,
and
we'll get you right in the queue.
Okay, so like, this is
It's just
really hard.
one little thing. I kind of have a lot
I
of...
see you're concerned about your private data and
It won't
privacy.
stretch
Yeah.
up,
Don't
but,
worry
like,
about it. You're
that
totally
can
covered
just
on the Computer Clinic Privacy
stretch
Pledge.
Are you sure?
Absolutely. The guys back there are just going to be looking at your operating system. That's it.
How soon can I get it back?
Give us a week.
A week? No, that's not going to work. I have a deadline in 3 days.
Well, we do have the quickest turnaround times in the business. I doubt you're going to find anyone faster.
Okay. Got my kit, my slime kit.
Do your magic.
I need the computer.
Oh, right. Thanks.
I'll call you when it's ready.
So, like, this is my slime kit. I got a slime kit. I make one every week.
With only 9
But
more
it's not
recipes to
fun.
go and about an hour per recipe.
And water actually really helps it, makes it stretchy.
Start writing.
Water really makes it stretchy.
Hi. Can I get 2 habanero tacos, please? Thanks.
I don't know. I
Those
think
need
it's
a warning
back there in
label, you
my
know.
mom's room.
Do they?
Here, Molly, we made your favorite for you.
Oh no, I can't eat these. My stomach's in knots.
Oh. Pop,
Hey,
Jules, get the
have mine.
Papa.
I haven't touched it, I promise.
Thanks. 4 habanero tacos, I guess. This is very kind of you.
Try them before you thank me.
Thanks. Oh, man.
Wow, I'm impressed. Most people have to tear up the trunks by now.
No, I can feel it. I just,
So,
pepper tastes so good.
Jinx.
helped it, but I do think I should add some more of the
You're
salt.
not wrong, you know. These do need a warning label. But not for the spice. I feel an addiction forming already.
Yeah, pretty soon I'm gonna be moving to the kitchen. I practically live here already.
Save a space for me by the stove. I'm helpless against these tacos.
Alright, so like, I don't think my slime kit is helping. I think it's just making it like.
Thank you.
runny.
Cheers.
So I'm gonna go like get
To
some water on this and put some water
New
in
experiences.
the thing.
Cheers.
All you need.
Where is that?
Alright, so like all you need is a tiny drip like this much. Not like that much. Just a tiny bit. It's not to where you can drink, you can't drink it. See, like my slime kit did help a little bit. It stretches just like it only stretches
Hey,
this
Dylan,
much.
you scared me.
didn't mean to scare you.
But whenever you go like this,
yeah,
it
you're looking-
stretches a
looking for this?
lot. Okay.
Yeah.
So like
where'd
I'm
you-
gonna
Oh, so I found it on the stairs this morning when
put my
I came to
activator.
drop off the box
Activator.
full of your stuff from our
And I've got
place.
somewhere here.
Which
my slime
I
kit, so
know
let me
you've
put
been
somewhere
asking for
activator.
forever.
It's
and,
like
but you know, I've
it's
been
just kind of
Out
activators.
of town.
Like,
I know.
It's not the activator that y'all use, but it's the activator that I use in Colombia.
Anyways, I mean, since I'm here, do you want to hang out tonight and catch up?
I'm sorry, I have a deadline.
Right. Yeah. Molly's food.
Yeah, exactly.
Cool.
Well, thanks for dropping this off. Good night, Dylan.
Okay, so like, my activator stinks. It's not also supposed to smell good, but since I'm making a video, get out of it.
Molly, she's about to lose it, Mo.
So you was talking?
Sorry, I'm just finishing one more sentence. So what do you think?
I'm just in front of the TV watching it. I don't like TV.
I'm gonna meet my deadline. 5 p.m. today.
What?
Oh my god, you are so lucky. I am
No.
not a bridezilla. I'd be stomping down Tokyo right now.
Why?
She was asking about the dress.
It's the rarest of creatures. A genuinely beautiful bridesmaid dress.
The writer speaks. Yay!
I'm sorry, I know I've been a little single-minded lately with this deadline.
A little? You think? Seriously, I managed to schedule this fitting around 2 separate
I'm
investigations.
probably like just moving stuff around because I'm in front of my TV and not like in front of
Hello?
my white table right now.
This is Phil from the computer clinic. We have the best news for you. Our technicians were able to repair your computer in less than a week.
You're kidding. The computer's ready. I'll be right there, thanks.
Molly. Hello? Oh my gosh. Wait, Molly.
Miss Hoyt,
Thank you so much. I'm never letting coffee near you again. You're a lifesaver.
just part of the job now. Be careful out there
Thank you.
and have fun at your friend's wedding.
Excuse me?
Oh, no, I saw it on your Cake Pops video.
Oh, right. No, thank you. That's amazing.
I'm
Right.
a 20-minute meal convert.
Okay,
That's
I'm gonna
great,
stretch
thank
it,
you.
see how stretchy this is. My activator, like, activated it. So, like, let's see how stretchy. Oh my gosh, I love this slime. I just got it away because it, like,
Sorry I'm late, Caitlin. I had to pick up my laptop and...
No, it's fine. It's fine. You're on Molly time.
What?
Well, you know you're my favorite, but you're always late. It's fine. Your work is so good, I couldn't care less. All right. I pulled up your article, just making a few last-minute changes.
Changes?
It's 99% awesome. Jackson will mock it up, get you the proof tomorrow.
Perfect.
what's this?
Traffic's really spiking because of the
So,
ad.
like,
There's real appetite out there for these
I'm
kinds of
adding some
recipes.
more activator because
Appetite. You see what I did there?
need to.
I didn't even mean to say it. It's from working here. You have food on the brain all the time.
Look at that.
All the time. Jasmine,
like-
get me something with chocolate. Or scotch. You got it.
So we're good.
Almost. I'm gonna need another 20 recipes.
20? When?
You have oodles of time, 3 to 4 weeks.
3 to 4 weeks.
There's a really good reason, though.
What's
What's
the reason?
I can't say anything.
Well, now you have to tell me.
don't. All right, I'll tell you.
Look how stretchy
Corporate
this
ones
is. It was
do.
stretchy
Hurry up.
before.
What? I shouldn't have said anything.
Oh my god, like a real phone app?
Available on all platforms. Apple, Android, you name it.
That's me.
That's you. Molly, of Molly's 20-minute meals.
I'm,
Soon to be available on
reading it because
phones.
I'm so
everywhere.
scared this is not gonna
That's
be
amazing.
like
I know.
stretchy. Oh my god.
Now go do
that'll be
something fun. Get out of here.
stupid.
Well, I was
add
gonna
some more
start working on those
activator
recipes.
and it won't be so stretchy.
Wrong answer.
What?
And comment down below, like,
Honey.
if, like, you love this slime, or
Look
if
at
you want
me.
me to make some more slime.
You don't want to be me.
This is my
Don't
4th
burn
of July.
yourself out working too hard. Okay?
This
Trust
is
me.
my 4th of July.
Doing something
slime.
fun for yourself has nothing to
It's
do
really
with work.
good to make swirlies. You can tell.
Got it.
And it's really good to poke. And it's my 4th of July slime because, like, it has, like, blue. It has...
Know what turns me on? My better half,
Because
hors
I made
d'oeuvres,
it for
and
the
bubbly.
4th of July.
When I really want to take it up a notch,
So I
we use
really
KY
wanted to make
yours
some
and
slime in
mine,
my
tingling
hair.
for me,
I went to my
warming
house
for
and
him.
made some slime, which is here. And then let me see what
This holiday season, get what you want.
This is a large 3-topping pizza
red
from
and white.
Domino's.
I
You can
just
carry
added
one
some
out for
glitter.
$7.99 every day.
Because,
This
like,
is
I
a
didn't wanna,
3-topping
like, use my
handmade
phone
pan
to
pizza
all.
from Domino's.
Oh, I
And now
got
you
some
can
phone.
also carry one out
I
for
will show you
$7.99 every day. This is a logo from Domino's, and this is the end of the commercial from Domino's.
When a toothache pain hits, it hits hard. Pounding, stabbing pain, that's a lot of pain to deal with coming from your mouth. Pain pills do not work at all for me. That's why I have Oral Gel. You put it on, after a couple of seconds, voila, my pain is gone.
That's my age.
It's a brand new morning for breakfast. Introducing the Jimmy Dean Delights breadless egg which. We got rid of bread and replaced it with 2 egg frittatas. For a protein packed start to your day.
And that's what I put my activator.
Kind of makes you hungry, don't it?
Like, wow. That's what I put my activator. what I put in my activator.
You keep doing you. We'll take care of Medicare Part D.
So
By
let me
helping you
get
save
some
up to
of my
$5 on each prescription.
I think
And
it's
with
more
free
like
one-on-one pharmacy
just like
support,
points.
we filled over 2 billion prescriptions
I didn't
and
like
counting.
points because I have
Stop
to
by
put all
Walgreens
this
and
stuff
save
out.
today. Walgreens,
So,
first since 1901.
comment down below if you would like to have this one, or should I make some
Never
more
made a whole
songs
lot
and
of
throw
sense
this
to
one
me.
away, or
I didn't.
keep this one.
Paying more than you need for
And
everyday little messes. It's like paying more for a
subscribe,
fancy paper
hit that
clip.
bell symbol,
Fancy paper clip.
and
Hand-forged titanium alloy with an
give me a
elegant
thumbs up if
diamond
you like this
Riviera.
video. Bye.
I don't